How to factory reset Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, click Start menu at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you have to choose Settings and open the Settings menu. From this section, click on System from the side toolbar. Now you need to scroll down on the System section and find out Recovery section. Click on Recovery option here. Now under Recovery section, you need to choose Reset this PC and now click on Reset PC button. After that, a new menu will appear where you need to choose between two options, that is Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My Files, it will retain your personal files but removes apps and settings. If you choose Remove Everything, it will delete all files, apps and settings for a fresh start. So let's choose Keep My Files, and after that you will need to choose how would you like to reinstall Windows, whether from cloud download or local reinstall. You can choose any one of the option. After that, you simply need to click Next and follow on your screen instruction. Windows will guide you through the reset process step by step. Once process finished, your PC will reboot and look like a brand new system. In this way, you can simply factory reset Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.